And now I'm stargazing. You ain't for the stars, but I've been scarred lately. Taking keys, stealing cars, we just some lost babies. Look too fast, now I'm grown. Excuses in my head, I ain't thinking I'm wrong.
Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So welcome to another surprise, it's a haul. So yeah, I'm sure people think by now that like all I do is like shop and eat and sleep. Shop, eat, and take naps. But I do want you to know like my life does have a little bit more sustenance than that.
Vocabulary with Brittany.
Sustenance? Substance. Substance and that, just a little bit. But anyways, yeah, so today I have a pretty nicely sized luxury haul for you. I will tell you, it is basically all shoes. I don't know what's going on with me, but I've been obsessed with buying heels lately. Like it's just all shoes, majority. But anyways, you guys, let's go ahead and get into this haul. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all of that good stuff. And also turn those little post notifications on so you get notified every single time I post, which is now twice a week. It'll always be on Sundays and sometimes on like Wednesday or Thursday. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into the video. I love you so much and I'll see you soon. Okay, so first, before we get into the haul, I am gonna show you what I'm wearing because I know you guys like to ask. So this is my same red lip. It's from Sephora. I have linked it before, you guys, but I will link it again. But this is the dress that I'm wearing. So this is actually from Pretty Little Thing, and I believe I did like a haul or a try-on video with this dress, but this is what it looks like. So it's just a really cute like little baby doll dress. It is polka dots. And I'm completely obsessed with the sleeves. They're kind of like bell sleeves. Very cute. Okay, so I know I said it was basically all shoes, which is true. Basically, it is all shoes. However, I have a really special piece of jewelry that I'm gonna show you. So they're actually on my ears right now. So they're so amazing. So they came in this beautiful still Dior holiday packaging, which we absolutely love. So, and then they came in this gorgeous little Dior box that looks like that. But these are and of course I had to wear them for the video. These are the Dior Tribalist. I don't know how you say the word. I think it's Tribalist. Earrings. However, they do come in like a variety of different designs. These are actually my second pair of this same earring, and I did a haul for that one, but I'll definitely put the like name and details right here. I'm not gonna forget. But you guys, these earrings are absolutely stunning. I'm gonna give you some close-up shots too because they are just amazing. Like I think these are my favorite earrings ever. I love them. Okay, so next we kind of have like home accessories. So you guys, this is the Tom Ford Rose Prick Candle. So it's still sealed. I actually just picked this up today. So we're gonna open it together. I've never smelled this scent before. Not even the perfume. I got it honestly because it's pink and it's gonna go upstairs. And a lot of people are probably like, why didn't you get the black one? Listen, call me old fashioned or whatever you wanna say, but I cannot have a candle in my home that says like a curse word on it. Like my grandma comes to my house, like my dad comes to my house. I don't want, like, no, I just can't. So I got this one. So it is the Tom Ford Rose Prick Candle and we're gonna open it up together. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And, ooh, it's in there. It smells okay. Tom Ford's fragrances, I feel like a lot of them have that same like bass undertone and I don't know if I love it, but this is what it looks like. Just says Tom Ford Rose Prick. It's kind of like a hard, like, I don't know, clay material. But anyways, it'll look cute in the upstairs movie room, and that is the only reason why we got it. Oh, it's so hot. Yes, I'm fanning myself with my iPad, like, whew. Okay, anyways, moving right along. Let's see, what do we want to do next? Okay, I know what I'm gonna do next. So this next thing came in this little box like this. And so it is from Dior. So I love Dior's packaging. Like they always make sure that they send you like a little shopping bag so you can feel like you had like the same in-store experience. So this is, please don't. This is all the stuff that's in there. And the little item that I'm gonna show you, it's not in here. I've already got it somewhere, but it is a little, so it came in this little thing. So I'm sure you can kind of guess what it is. So I got the hibiscus twilly to match my gorgeous Dior hibiscus book tote. I'm completely obsessed with this twilly. It is so beautiful. I'm gonna give you some close-up shots, but yes, we love it and love that it's got my name on the back. Completely obsessed. Okay, so next up for another Bottega Veneta item, we have these little babies right here. So these are the Bottega Veneta, oh my gosh. I think they're just, anyways, I'll put the name up here. But I got these with the bag in mind, and then when I got the bag, it actually didn't match the shoes, but that's okay. I have not worn these yet, and I've had them for about 2 months. I'm really hesitant on the color, but I will say this color is very in. This is new season Bottega. I believe the color is called Mint. I could just be lying. I'll put it on the screen, but I think they're pretty cute. What do you guys think? Yes, no, do we like these? Okay, so next up, another pair of heels from Bottega. Bottega is like killing the shoe game right now. So it is these beauties. So these are the Bottega Veneta stretch sandal. However, as you can see, they look a little bit different than your typical stretch sandal. So again, these are new season Bottega. They're in the color beige, I believe, but like how gorgeous are these? So they kind of do this thing where they like strap up around your ankle, and there's actually no like
vocabulary with Brittany.
What's it called? Like no fasten? What is that thing called, girl? The thing on the side of the shoe that hooks around your ankle. Anyways, but there's not one of those. It literally just like swirls around your ankle. I think it's a really cool concept. I have worn these once before. They're just as comfy as the stretch sandal. I'm obsessed. So I'm kind of going in order of like least to like most favorite. This is my first pair of heels from this particular designer. I don't have any bags from this person. I have a book from this person, hint, hint. But I'm super excited. I saw these and I knew I had to have them. So they are the Jacquemus, okay? Jacquemus. I think that's how Bianca said to pronounce it. Jacquemus L'Amour heels, and they are so neat. So this is what they look like. Give you a little close up. I'm completely obsessed with them. So as you can see, one of them is square toe and one of them is round toe, and they're actually so neat. Like I'm kind of surprised that I love these, but they look so good on. Like I'll do some mod shots for you. They look super good on. They do wrap up around your ankle. They're so cute, and I absolutely love this texture that they did on the shoe. And I got this in black because it also comes in the white version, and I feel like I need those too, but I am completely obsessed. How gorgeous is this shoe? Like it's just so neat to me. I just love the material. Like look at this. It's amazing. We love it. Oh, and yes, that is Bree on the TV screen back there. Gotta represent. Okay, okay. This is actually my latest video. Well, okay. We are pre-filming, so this video is actually gonna be from the past when you see it. But for now, this is my latest video. It's a vlog. So anyways, okay, so next up, what would a luxury haul from Bree be without something from, oh, I already have something from Dior. Anyways, another something from Dior. So here we are. Amazing. Oh, I love when the lighting does this. Cute little Dior box. So comes with 2 Dior dust bags. Adorable. Just so cute. So these are actually brand spanking new as well. I got these yesterday. Oh my gosh. Okay, so if you don't know what these are new season Dior as well. So this is the Dior spring and summer 2021 line that they did for Dubai. It's like a Dubai capsule. So it's got this really pretty, and it's showing up a lot lighter than it is on camera, but it's got this really pretty gold band for the foot, and then like the sole, I'm completely obsessed with it. Like how pretty is this? It's just adorable. Don't we just love this shoe? It's a good summer shoe. So if you guys know, they actually did a whole like capsule. There's saddlebags, there's book totes, there's lots of pretty things. I've ordered a couple of pieces, so you will see that later in the coming months. But I literally like paused because I need to have like a real life intervention because I keep buying Dior book totes and like I don't have any room. This is how I know it's time for me to build a new house, because I'm literally, not literally, but literally running out of room in my closet, but like I keep buying things and yet I'm running out of room, and like it's not adding up. It's not adding up. So, but anyways, like I said, I'm obsessed with these shoes, and like I said, it is a whole collection. So we'll just set that there. I think you guys know what that means. Okay, so next, getting into some really neat shoes. The next 3 of these pairs of shoes are all by the same designer. This designer is actually pretty new to me. I've only got 1 pair of shoes from her right now, but that's all gonna change. And she is Amina Muaddi. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, so first pair of shoes that I got from Miss Amina Muaddi are these. So these are the Amina Muaddi Julia heels, and they are in this amazing iridescent color with these spiked crystals. So the heel is amazing. So this is what it looks like. And of course, I'm gonna give you mod shots, but like, can we just take a moment? This shoe is absolutely gorgeous. Like, it's absolutely gorgeous. I'm obsessed with the details on these heels. I think they're so pretty and they're super comfy. How pretty are these? They are called the Julia sandal. Something cool about Amina Muaddi, like she'll make a line of shoes with the same name, but they'll have different variations, which I think is really cool. So this is the Julia sandal in the iridescent. So I am very much one of those people who says, like, if you like something, buy it in multiple colors. So that's what I did. So I will say with these heels, this is not like, they weren't my first choice. A lot of these heels are sold out. A lot of times you have to personal shop them or find them on like the resale market. I know Gilt has them. I've seen them on Forward, I think it is. However, that particular heel, I couldn't find it, but I have since found it and I bought it. But these are like my second and third choices. But anyways, ooh, these are some sexy shoes. So these are the same shoes. These are the Amina Muaddi Julia heel. These are in black. We love a good black heel. How gorgeous is this shoe, you guys? They've got the spikes going up the back strap. It's so cute. Like, I'm obsessed with these shoes. And like I said, they are very comfy. Just gorgeous. So believe it or not, we are on our last item, I think. And oh my gosh, I definitely saved the best for last. So this is probably the most special pair of, okay, it's like the second most special pair of heels that I own. The first are definitely my Louboutin Socate Strass heels, the ones that I had in black, but then I had them blinged out and I had Swarovski crystals put all over them. Those are definitely like my most special pair of heels, but these are definitely a close second. So let me show them to you. Okay, are you ready? Okay, so like I said, they are a very special pair of Amina Muaddi heels. So these are the Amina Muaddi Begum heels, which I actually have the Begum flats, but these are the heels. And when I saw these, I knew I absolutely had to have them, you guys. How gorgeous is this shoe? So it is new for this season. So it's in like the kind of like glitter rainbow material. And it's kind of like a metallic-y material, you guys. Like, it's absolutely stunning. I'm quite obsessed with these shoes from the, okay, I will say that when you see them online, sometimes the colors can look a little dull, but in person, they are so bright and so beautiful. I'm just completely obsessed. Like, it's a really gorgeous shoe. So that's what she looks like. Well, you guys, that wraps up the end of this luxury haul. I hope you enjoyed it, you guys. I love watching videos like this. I also love filming videos like this, so I hope you guys enjoy them. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all of that good stuff. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at Bree Moore, all one word, all spelled out. I love you so much, and I'll see you on the next time I post, from whatever time this video gets posted, because like I said, this is the past, and if you're watching me now, you're watching me from the past. So yeah, I will see you guys next time. I love you so much and have an amazing rest of your day.